Hey Star Gamers, welcome to another weekly video update. Thanks for joining. Another good week here with our developers and our team working hard. I'm going to spend this video primarily demonstrating the progress on our product. It's not finalized yet, but we've made a tremendous amount of progress. We have over 50 people testing it. Right now, most of them are outside of the GameStar platform, just people that are giving good feedback, good updates, bugs, all kinds of things, and we're constantly fixing it. We've seen a tremendous amount of improvement in the last few weeks, so we're getting very, very close. It's not quite finalized, so I'm not going to show everything. However, I'll show you some of the important things that are already live in testnet, and which we can easily turn on live to mainnet. So I will now share. So you would start on our main website at the moment, and you'd enter the app from here. The first thing you want to do is to connect your wallet. So just sign in there and then choose any open advertisement. So I'm going to choose this one from Tender Martin, and I want to place the order for 200. You can see you can set the rate, the price, the limits, and the type of payment method. So he's going to use his American Express gift card. I just press buy now, and I send the payment directly to him through the terms that he's already submitted. Press paid, and I can talk with him before or even after the trade. Now, I can press appeal. I'm going to get a rejection of this appeal because the trade's not over yet. So temporarily, I can't appeal until the 30 minutes or the time that you set in motion is over. So the trade window isn't closed yet. So I'm going to pick a different older order and appeal that trade. So both parties have to deposit 1,000 GMS for that, which will then the winner of the trade dispute will get, as well as some of the judges. So then, I want to put in my evidence of the trade and describe it, and the judges will see that, and then they'll be able to vote in your favor, so that you can get back your GMS and even more. So that is an important part of the trade, and which will make our system much more fair. It will be the most fair P2P system in the world. So, we're super excited about that. Some other things you might want to see: our wallet looking a little bit better. Some of the UI is starting to improve. It's easy to bind your BUSD address and your email here, and we have the ability to refer friends, so you can get rewards. You can join our community through all of these different portals, latest news. So here's our announcements from Polkely, and actually we'll have a new announcement of a metaverse company, I think early next week. And we're also moving this blog internally onto a GameStar native webpage. So that will be more SEO friendly and also, easier to find for the community. Changing the language. Right now we're only English, but we'll add a lot of language support. help center. So there will be a very detailed help center with all of your questions. Here's the ability to add the actual advertisement so that you can be the counterparty that's listed initially on the website. So you just make these simple choices. Takes you a minute. And just those simple steps, press create ad and you're done. So you can have an ad up and running in a minute or less if you have all your info you need. So we wanted to make that that really easy. And finally, there's the appeals. So again, this is a really revolutionary step forward, a decentralized peer-to-peer platform. You can see it's almost live. We have real user testing. We're going to open it up to more and more users for testing. So everybody on this call will be able to test it, I believe by the end of the month, probably sooner. And once we feel confident, then we'll make it live. And trust me, we want to make it live as soon as possible. That will help grow our community. That will help grow everything about our platform. So, that is really important to us. And then the final thing, I know everybody's waiting. We will make our official CEX announcement on Tuesday. What date is that? That is the 18th of January. We'll make the announcement then. And that's final. So again, appreciate all the patience. It's been another wonderful week. Really appreciate everybody participating, and let's keep making it a great year and a great platform and a great launch. All right, thanks.